Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Fried plantain with cornmeal and mixed spices. So this is a still image of a plantain tree, so you get an idea of how it looks. And there we have our ripe plantain. So what we're going to do is cut our plantain on the bias, or you can cut it however you want to do it, your preference. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of cornmeal, fine cornmeal, to our plantain. I'm adding some mixed spices. This has nutmeg, cinnamon, clove, turmeric, and ginger. So we're just going to sprinkle some of our mixed spices there, and we're going to combine everything together. Now that it's well coated with our spices and our cornmeal, we're now going to fry our plantain in some coconut oil. So we put some coconut oil and we are going to fry our plantain until nice and golden. So there you have it, folks, a nice simple dish, fried plantain with cornmeal and mixed spices. Of course you can fry your plantain just as is, it tastes good as is, but if you want to spice it up, so to speak, then you can give this one a try.